Hey there, Scott Monday with Kitchen and Bath Crate, and today I want to talk with you about a pain point that we've heard a lot over the years, and it's the pain point of contractors or vendors working in your home, but not treating your home with respect. Really, what they're not doing is they're not treating your home as if it were their own. We've heard lots of different things about contractors leaving a mess, not arriving on time, really just doing things that if you had a guest in your home that did these things, you'd be quite upset. So why would you ever let your contractor treat your home that way? So let me tell you a few things that we do a little bit different at Kitchen and Bath Crate. First of all, we conduct a launch meeting for you. And during that launch meeting, we have this agenda here. We talk through your project schedule, which I mentioned in a past video. We talk through your project data sheet, which I also mentioned, and we walk through an assortment of different questions that cover things like arrival time and working hours, access to the home, how to treat your pets and make sure that we're taking care of them during the process, path of travel to the job site, all sorts of little nuances of the project that are really important to go over before construction even begins. Now, the next thing we do to respect you and your home is we arrive on time. We've all been in that situation where the cable company gives us the 4 or 8 hour window, and it can be so frustrating to wait around just not knowing when someone's going to arrive. 7:30 a.m. is when we start our projects, and on any day that we're going to be later than that because of an intentional situation that needs to be addressed, we communicate with you the day before so you know exactly when to expect our team. Next up, a way that we protect your home is through dust control. A really important part of that is making sure that we put up plastic walls with a lot of different hardware we use to make sure the plastic stays up. And another part of that dust control is this fan system we set up. Now, this is just the fan component, but usually there's also a ductwork involved. And what we do is we create what we call negative pressure with these fans, and we pull air into the home, into the work area, and then we shoot it out a door or a window. And that creates what we call negative air pressure, so it pulls dust into the job site and out the door or window. Another thing that we do is we make sure to protect your floor with either this, which is called ram board, which is kind of a cardboard fibrous type of floor covering material, or we even protect your home with masonite, which is a much thicker material that's really good to go over things like hardwood floors. So those are just some of the things that we do on your project to make sure that we treat it with the utmost respect. We sort of follow the same mantra that you would at a national park, where our goal is to leave no trace. We don't want any trace that we've been working there on the job other than in the actual job site itself and our beautiful crate out front. So that's how we treat your home with respect. Thanks so much for listening. All right, bye-bye.